Good afternoon. This is Lance Bryce with Thrive Mortgage. Today is Thursday, the 8th of July. I hope you are doing well. We are seeing interest rates actually somewhat better from this time last week. In fact, for the last several calls, we've talked about the fact that rates, despite the predictions, have shown some improvement. Well, now they've improved to the point where you got to go back to February to see rates as low as they are today. So now we haven't moved much since last February. But we are back down to where we were then. So that is the very low threes, even the high twos for some well-qualified buyers on certain products are not out of the realm of possibility. So what's giving us this reprieve really is more technical than anything that would be a start of a trend. Most economists agree that we're still going to see escalating rates through the end of the year. That said, we got some news on the Olympics today that kind of rattled the markets. Japan is having some serious issues with a resurgence of one of the COVID variants there. They announced today that the Olympics will be free of any spectators. That's putting some ripples through the economy and through the Dow in particular. The Dow sold off 260 points today on COVID concerns. It's down 200 from this time last week, so today's losses are pretty much taking us back to where we were this time last week on the Dow. But it's given us a short-term reprieve on interest rates. Now, that said, that doesn't mean we're changing our lock bias. I'm still strongly encouraging folks, especially in the light of this improvement, to grab these rates while they can. It's kind of an unexpected gift. That said, if somebody is sitting on the sidelines because they're thinking about refinancing and they're just looking for rates to improve a little bit, and you don't really have anything to lose by waiting a day or two to see what happens in the bond market, to see if we get a little bit better pricing between now and the end of the week, not necessarily a bad strategy. But again, when folks ask my advice is lock any improvement. We're seeing improvement, so I'm encouraging folks to lock. In any event, I hope this is helpful for you and for your clients. If you have any questions for me, feel free to reach out. You can find me on the web at brycehomeloans.com, or as always on my cell, 210-260-9660. Y'all have a blessed week, and we'll talk to you soon.